Hey everybody, it's Megan. As always, I hope all of you guys are doing wonderful. Today I'm going to be doing a very exciting video because it is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing video. To all of you that are new and watching this video, welcome. I do invite you to join my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below. I would love to have you a part of my luxury / inspirational community. As much as I do adore Louis Vuitton, I gotta let you guys know that when this item was first released, I truly disliked it to the point where I didn't even want to look at it. And that just goes to show how our minds can truly change. When I learned about the versatility of this piece, I became a little bit obsessed with it to the point where I felt I wanted to receive it. And that's exactly what I did. Before I get into the unboxing, I did want to do a little bit of show and tell for you guys. I have this gorgeous ring on made by Jeulia. The website is jeulia.com. It is made of moissanite. I have another ring that's made of moissanite, and I gotta say, I've become obsessed with moissanite. It's absolutely gorgeous. Moissanite was featured on the Today Show. They did a comparison between moissanite and diamonds and asked people if they could tell the difference between the two. Most could not. This is not like a cubic zirconia. This is truly a beautiful and gorgeous gemstone. It is basically scratch resistant and meant to last a lifetime. And what I love most about it is the fact that I do not have to polish this ring. It does maintain its brilliance, which is a wonderful factor. I'll show it just a little bit more in depth here for you guys. As you can see, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I have said in the past, diamonds are a girl's best friend. There is no denying that. But moissanite has become my new second BFF. Absolutely. If you guys are interested in this ring, I have included a link within the description box below. Also, they do have an array of different collections that you guys can check out. Moissanite does happen to be my favorite. If you go onto their website, www.jeulia.com, and just go to the upper left-hand corner of the website, there will be a drop-down. You're going to click on Collections. And if interested in moissanite, you're going to click on moissanite. You'll see a large amount of different ring options to choose from. I'm truly not a salesperson, just not in my heart. I can only promote something that I truly believe in. I adore this gemstone and I adore my other ring that's made of moissanite. So I am proud to represent their company and the fact that they offer this gemstone. If you guys are interested in receiving 15% off site-wide, please do enter the code MEGHAN, MEGHAN, 7, Z as in zebra, 15. That's MEGHAN, MEGHAN, 7, Z as in zebra, 15, and you will receive that 15% off. Again, that is site-wide. Okay, now is the time to get into the unboxing. I'm extremely excited to show you guys what I did get. Again, when this bag was first released, I truly did not like it, and I just couldn't see myself ever wearing it. So the fact that I am unboxing it with you guys right now is almost a miracle in its own way. I'll undo the ribbon, and opening it up, it is the Louis Vuitton Bumbag. Yes, I did receive it, and yes, I'm extremely ecstatic to own it. Looking at it, you might think, like I did, that this is just a belt bag. That's what I thought. But that's not the only way that this bag can be worn. And the Louis Vuitton website does state the versatility of this bag. This bag does feature a very adjustable strap. The fact that this bag can be adjusted so very long is a wonderful thing. As you guys can see, there is a top handle to this bag. And in the front, there is a double zipper. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see the brilliance of these tabs for the zippers, and they do say LV. The back of it features a very roomy pocket. I will open it from the front first. It does feature a very smooth opening. Very nice glide. And you are greeted to a beautiful black interior. I've said many times in the past how much I do adore the black against monogram. I was quite surprised to find out how roomy this interior is. And this bag was made in France. And then the back zipper opens up. Very, very roomy. Can definitely fit the largest size cell phone on the market, plus more. And then there is the D-ring right here. You could hang your keys off of this, or if you wanted to use your imagination, maybe a key pouch clay. I do intend to use my coin purse that came with my multi-pochettes to hang right here. Now I am going to show you some brief mod shots, and perhaps for any of you that are on the fence with this bag, you'll get an idea as to the versatility of how this can be worn. So now I'm going to be able to show you guys some mod shots and be able to show the versatility of this bag and why I love it so very much. First, you see, as a crossbody, a lot of times people will wear this bag over the chest like so. I do prefer it to be a bit longer, and that is why the long adjustable strap is so very wonderful. It basically looks like this on me, and I think it's extremely fashion forward. As much as I do adore classic Louis Vuitton bags, such as the Alma PM, which I chose as my favorite bag of all time from Louis Vuitton, I do like different and unique. I do like fashion forward. You can easily transform this crossbody look into a backpack style look, which I think is absolutely beautiful. So it just goes back like so. And what's wonderful about wearing it backpack style is the fact that you have basically a hands-free look going on in the front. It feels like you're not even wearing a bag. I do think this look is so very cute, and then when you turn around, you have that little backpack style going on. Another way to wear this bag would be over the shoulder. And it basically looks like that, you guys. I think it is absolutely adorable. I'm now going to show you guys the final way I know of wearing this bag, which is belt pack style, which I thought I would never wear, and I truly disliked, again, when it first came out. But I've come to learn to love it. That just goes to show, never say never. This is how it looks. I have it a little bit pretty low on the hip, but I like it, you guys. I'm shocked to say what the heck happened. I do actually like it. Trends do tend to come and go, like the belt pack or the backpack. But the good thing about that is they come and go, which is a wonderful thing because they'll come back around again. So I really have to take back my internal thoughts of disliking this bag so very much. As you guys can see, there is a ton of versatility within this bag. Enough with the mod shots, let's move on. Okay, you guys, now you can see why I love this bag so very much. I highly recommend it to any of you guys that might be interested. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions in regard to the website that I did bring up earlier, Jeulia.com, highly recommend them. I adore this Moissanite ring. I will definitely include a link to their website within the description box below, and or any comments or questions to the newest addition to my Louis Vuitton collection, the Louis Vuitton Bumbag. Please do leave them in the comment section below, as I always love hearing from you guys. Okay, now is a time within the video where I'm going to completely transition topics, as I typically do, from speaking of Louis Vuitton to speaking of something that's inspirational and motivational. Today, I wanted to go over the topic of keys to happiness within our daily lives. I am nearly 100% positive to the fact that we would all concur with the fact that life is very short and we should be living it to the fullest every single day. I'm going to let you guys know of 5 different ways that I believe are true keys to happiness. Number 1, keep God first place. When we keep God first place in our lives every single day, we live with the knowledge that He is always present with us. We know that He is right there. No matter what adversity comes our way, no matter what opposition, no matter what problem, no matter what person comes against you, you know that you have your defender working for you behind the scenes, and you know that you have the unconditional love from God. So when we live with the knowledge that He is with us, defending us every single day, loving us so very much, we will live in a happier state of mind. Number 2 would be to set goals for yourself. And when I say set goals for yourself, any dream that you might have, to make that a goal and to make it a reality. It is proven that when we set a goal for ourselves, no matter how little it may be, it makes us feel good. If you have something inside of you that you truly want to do, Don't let anything or anyone stop you. Sky is the limit. You can do whatever you want to do. With God, all things are possible. Number 3, don't compare yourself with other people. This is a big one, and I think a lot of us are guilty of it. It is very humanistic to compare ourselves with other people by perhaps thinking to ourselves, I am not successful as that person, I am not as pretty as that person, I do not get to go on as many vacations as that person, I currently don't have a special someone in my life. The list goes on and on. We need to run our own race. St. Paul said that wonderfully. Run our race, finish the course. We need to focus on ourselves. If any of you know what it feels like to run, you know that it takes a lot of energy out of you. If you take the time to look back at someone else that's next to you, that's only going to take away from the energy you need to complete your own race. It's going to hold you back. We need to run our race and not compete with other people. When we compete with other people, all it does is hold us back and make us feel less than par. Number 4 is to love yourself unconditionally. It's a wonderful and beautiful thing. When you think about your loved ones and the love that you show to them, it's important to love yourself in the same way. A lot of us are people pleasers in this life. I did learn from a priest a long time ago that it's okay to say no. I think a lot of us say yes because we're people pleasers all the time. When it comes to protecting your peace, it's perfectly okay to say no to something. We do want to love everybody that God places within our lives, but we also want to love ourselves. So I'm sure you guys can use your imagination as to different ways you can love yourself. Just remember, it's not a selfish thing, and always protect your peace of mind. The 5th and final thing that I am going to mention, got to put it out there that the list really does go on, but these are my top 5, is to have a grateful spirit. When you think of all the things that you are blessed with, for example, the simple things, being able to talk, walk, see, hear, the best things in life are the free gifts that God gives us, and using our imagination as to all the things we have within our lives to be grateful for. A great way to go through that list of gratitude is to go to God and tell Him all of the things that you are grateful to Him for. I guarantee you it will automatically uplift your spirits. So a quick recap to those 5 keys to happiness. Number 1, keep God first place. Number 2, set goals for yourself. Number 3, don't compare yourself with other people. Number 4, love yourself. And number 5, to have a grateful spirit. By implementing these 5 keys to happiness, I can pretty much guarantee that your life will go in a much happier, peaceful way. That is what I have to say on my 5 keys to happiness. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the topic I did just speak of, and or any comments or questions on my beautiful new addition to my Louis Vuitton collection, the Louis Vuitton Bumbag, please do leave them in the comment section below. As I said, I always love reading your comments. That is going to be it. I thank you guys so very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Until my next, which I'm definitely excited about, you guys take care, and I will be seeing you very, very soon. Bye.